Ladies and gentlemen, before we move into our spiral presentation, I'd just like to do a recap on the grade and recovery curves. So, with our heavy material, we are expected to report closest to the center column, so you can collect it in your concentrate, and for your lighter material, which will be your silica, you're expected to report furthest away from your center column in your tailings. When we look at the grade yield curve, and focus in on the chrome with the blue line, we see that as you keep increasing your mass yield, your grade starts to decrease. And this is because, like I mentioned, all the heavy material reports, most of the heavy material reports closest to your center column. But as you keep increasing the mass yield, you start increasing the silica content, hence why it starts decreasing on the curve. When we look at the recovery yield curve, we find that when you first start off at your concentrate, you find that your chrome is a little bit high, but as you increase your mass yield, it starts to remain more of consistent and stagnant. So what this tells us is that there's a balance between your grade and your recoveries. As the grade increases, the recoveries would decrease as well, so you continuously need to balance that. Now let's look at the importance of your recoveries and your grades. So your recoveries are more important for your roughest stage, and your grade becomes more important for your cleaners, because in your roughest you want to have most of that chrome reporting in your concentrate, and then you start focusing on the grade in your cleaner stages. So let's move on to our spiral presentations.